In Miami Beach, where the climate can swing dramatically between hot, humid summers and mild, cooler winters, climate control is essential for year-round comfort. While most homeowners focus on HVAC systems to regulate their indoor temperature, one often overlooked aspect of climate control is the doors in your home. Door installation can play a significant role in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment by enhancing insulation, reducing energy costs, and improving the overall efficiency of your heating and cooling systems. Here's how installing new doors in your Miami Beach home can positively impact your climate control, keeping your living space comfortable and energy efficient throughout the year. Improved insulation and temperature regulation. One of the most significant ways that door installation affects climate control is by improving insulation. Older or poorly sealed doors can allow drafts to enter your home, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This can lead to higher energy bills, as your air conditioning or heating system will need to run longer and at higher capacities to counteract temperature fluctuations. Modern doors, especially those made from energy-efficient materials such as fiberglass, steel, or insulated wood, are designed to provide better insulation than older models. With advanced features such as double or triple glazing and insulating cores, these doors help keep the cool air inside during Miami Beach's hot summers and trap the warmth during the cooler winter months. By minimizing heat transfer, new door installations enhance your home's ability to regulate indoor temperatures efficiently, reducing the workload of your HVAC system and improving energy efficiency. Reducing air leaks and draft. Air leaks around your doors can be a significant source of temperature loss in your home. Gaps or cracks around the door frame, especially in older doors, allow air to leak in, which can disrupt your home's climate control. In Miami Beach, where humidity levels are high and temperatures can soar during summer, these leaks can cause your air conditioning system to struggle to keep the interior cool. When you install new doors, especially those equipped with high-quality weather stripping and seals, you eliminate these drafts and air leaks. This tighter seal helps keep the indoor air where it belongs, inside your home, without unwanted intrusion from the hot, humid air outside. By ensuring that your doors are properly sealed, new installations make a notable difference in the efficiency of your cooling and heating systems. Energy-efficient glass and UV protection. Miami Beach homeowners are often concerned about the amount of sunlight that enters their homes, which can affect the indoor temperature and the fading of furniture and decor. Many new door installations feature energy-efficient glass, such as low-E, low-emissivity coatings, which can significantly enhance climate control in your home. Low-E glass reflects heat back into your home during the cooler months and blocks excessive heat from entering during the hotter months. This prevents your air conditioning from working overtime during the summer and helps retain warmth during winter. Furthermore, low-E coatings also block harmful UV rays, which can cause fading of your furniture and flooring. With energy-efficient glass, you can keep your home cooler in the summer without sacrificing natural light, contributing to a more comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. Humidity control. humidity control is crucial for homes in Miami Beach, where the climate can often lead to high indoor humidity levels. Excess moisture in the air can lead to discomfort, mold growth, and damage to furniture and belongings. While HVAC systems do help regulate humidity, the right doors can also play an essential role in controlling moisture levels inside your home. Well-installed, energy-efficient doors with proper sealing prevent humid outdoor air from entering your home, ensuring that the interior humidity levels stay consistent. For homes with sliding glass doors or French doors, consider installing impact-resistant doors with low-maintenance features, which help keep humidity in check by providing a more airtight seal. By preventing drafts and outdoor moisture from infiltrating your home, a new door installation can contribute to a more comfortable and healthy indoor environment. Long-term energy saving. While installing new doors may require an initial investment, the long-term energy savings are well worth it. When your doors are properly insulated and sealed, your HVAC system doesn't need to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, which reduces your energy consumption and lowers utility bills. In fact, studies show that energy-efficient doors can reduce heating and cooling costs by up to 20%, depending on the size of your home and the quality of your doors. In a climate like Miami Beach's, where air conditioning is a major factor in energy consumption, investing in energy-efficient doors can result in substantial savings over time. A more comfortable home year-round. At the end of the day, new door installation can dramatically improve the comfort of your home by helping regulate the internal temperature, humidity levels, and air quality. Whether it's the intense heat of summer or a cool winter breeze, well-installed, energy-efficient doors provide year-round comfort without putting extra strain on your air conditioning or heating systems. Additionally, a comfortable home contributes to a better overall living experience. With improved insulation and a more consistent temperature throughout the year, you'll enjoy a quieter, more pleasant atmosphere that enhances your home's overall appeal. Conclusion. Installing new doors in your Miami Beach home is a highly effective way to improve climate control and increase energy efficiency. By investing in energy-efficient materials, proper insulation, and high-quality seals, new doors can help regulate your home's temperature, reduce drafts, control humidity, and lower your energy bills. The benefits of door installation go beyond just improved climate control. They also add comfort, reduce wear on your HVAC system, and contribute to a healthier, more sustainable home. If you're looking to make a lasting improvement to your Miami Beach home's climate control, consider scheduling a door installation today.